Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back sa panibagong video ngayon. Yes, nandito tayo sa ating Minecraft. Hey aso! Kamusta ka aso? Hindi ka kumain no? Wala ka kasi pagkain. Kaya ka pala hindi kumakain. Okay, so kailangan natin guys dito ng kung ano. Joke lang.
Ang waiting kong ito.
Meron na akong sasabihin sa inyo guys.
Lang sa iyo.
Meron na tayong Twitch. Astig no? Astig. Ganun lang yung sasabihin eh. Para alam mo may mangyayari eh. So yap guys, kailangan natin pumatay ng gas. Sinabi ko bang gas ka? Hindi ka naman gas. Bas ka. Oh, lumabas ka. Hindi ka gas. Skeleton ka, basta lumabas ka na lang. Labas! Tara dito, habulin mo ko. Habulin. Sige. Habulin mo ko. Yan, habulin mo ko. Tutulak ko sana siya eh. Hindi gumana eh. Ito guys, itong it will not last for long to our flipping thing. But yeah, it's so sad because wala na akong infinite thing eh. And I'm gonna run this gold. Akala ko tartar. I'm sad. You know why guys? Because it's all gone. I work for it. Okay, I think I need more sleeping. Footage. Takbo. Yeah. Ay. Ano nangyari? Yay! Hari ko. Ay! Nani. Hari ko. Thank you, but I hate you. Takba. Oh my God! Ay po, Nani! What the flip? Hindi ko pa man lang nakukuhay. Okay, doon na tayo. And yan, bye. So, I think susunod guys na video is makikita nyo na lang meron na ditong kasi shortcut na lang natin yan and babasakin ko na itong 3 at naman mawala na rin ang curse. Biret, biret, biret!
Yeah, break it down, yeah, yeah.
Break it down, break it down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh. I don't know if this is Tagalog or English, but for me it's English, okay? So don't mind me, okay?
Mahal kita simula pa ng una. Mo rin ako.
Teach me how to fly, hey guys. Teach me how to fly, and just kidding, don't teach me because I know how to fly. Okay, that's it guys for today's boring video, and I did nothing but
Kita simula
dying
pa
at
ng una.
everything.
Mo rin ako.
Oh.
Ang gagawin ko mamaya is meron na ako dito gagawin. Hapunan.
Okay guys, so that's it, and a minute, just kidding. And yep guys, bye. Wait. Wait, a minute. Oh no, I don't have any high. Pero, bye guys. Bye. Bye guys. Subscribe.